Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you add bibliography in Word. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open up your Word file. After opening it, you have to add your content. And after typing all the project content, you have variety of tools in the menu. So you have to choose a specific tool to add bibliography. In terms to do that, you have to tap on References. In References, you will find the option of Bibliography. Just tap on it. It will show you these options. You have to tap on the first one, click it, and Bibliography will be added to your document. This is how you can add the bibliography in your file, in your document. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also comment below. By following these steps, you can add bibliography in your documents or in your file in Word.